We are made wise, not by the recollection of our past, but by the responsibility for our future. Wisdom is not putting in a penny in a slot machine and expecting to win a fortune. The man who writes about himself and his own time is the only man who writes about all people and all time. Beware of false knowledge. It is more dangerous than ignorance. Few people think more than 2 or 3 times a year. I have made an international reputation for myself by thinking once or twice a week. We learn from experience that men never learn anything from experience. He knows nothing, and he thinks he knows everything. That points clearly to a political career. The single biggest problem in communication is the illusion that it has taken place. I do not believe in circumstances. The people who get on in this world are the people who get up and look for the circumstances they want, and if they cannot find them, make them. A fool's brain digests philosophy into folly, science into superstition, and art into pedantry. Hence, university education. Power does not corrupt men. Fools, however, if they get into a position of power, corrupt power. If a man is not married at 30, it means that he has not been forced to get married yet.